The Hanley Foundation, a leader in substance use disorder education, will host an insightful seminar for business leaders and human resource professionals. The event is called When Lawful Drugs Come to Work. And joining me now to talk about it, the CEO for the Hanley Foundation, Jan Carnes, and attorney and employment law public speaker, Kevin Vance. I'm spitting it out, I promise you. All right, we'll get this going here. Thank you so much for being here. We know the Hanley Center does so much for our community, so we really appreciate it. Tell us a little bit about the foundation for those of you, those of them out here who don't know exactly what we're talking about.
Well, we really have a four-pronged approach. And first we start with prevention, because we know that we cannot lose the generation that's coming up. So we have to work on prevention. And then we also support quality treatment. So we have scholarships available for those people who really need the help with treatment. Advocacy is huge for us because we work locally, statewide, and nationally towards really breaking the stigma around addiction. And then we do education. So we work with professionals and paraprofessionals to bring the message to them.
You really touch a lot of lives here in our community. The event is called When Legal Drugs Come to Work. Explain the title here.
Well, when lawful drugs come to work, what we were thinking is that we really wanted an opportunity to educate the community, especially with the new marijuana legalization that came in, so we can talk about that. And Kevin's going to do a great job with that.
Well, I was wondering, Kevin, I mean, how do you address that? I mean, it's a fine line that we're walking as we're kind of learning to regulate it.
Well, that's right. So I'm a labor and employment lawyer representing employers, and these are, interesting times because the new medical marijuana law, while it does legalize medical marijuana, does not require employers to accommodate the use of marijuana in the workplace. So that's going to create a nice, interesting issue about what the parameters of the law are. And at this event, we're also going to be talking about other lawful drugs such as alcohol, but also opioids.
That's what I was going to ask next, because so many of these opioid abuse issues we have are prescriptions that people are actually getting.
Exactly, and people who use lawful prescribed drugs and become addicted to them could be protected under the Americans with Disabilities Act as having a disability. So employers have to tread very carefully when they inquire into the use of opioids or any lawful drugs in the workplace by employees.
So I have to ask, in your line of work, have the questions and the business, if you will, just doubled since the whole medical marijuana and really the opioid crisis?
Well, I can say this. I get calls all the time from employers about how to handle certain situations, and the toughest questions I always get relate to disability issues and usually drug or alcohol abuse issues. We have an employee at work and their performance is substandard, it's slipping, they have attendance problems. What can we do to combat this? Can we ask the employee if they have a problem? And every situation depends on the facts, and it's always a really touchy situation.
Absolutely. All right, so you're going to be there to kind of answer some questions. Is this open to the public?
Absolutely. They just need to register by going to hanleyfoundation.org.
Okay.
And we're so excited that Mark Kelly is going to be our MC.
Yeah, no, that's wonderful. He was telling me about it. He's really looking forward to it. Once again, the event called When Lawful Drugs Come to Work. It runs from 9 a.m. until 11 a.m. at the Riviera Beach Marina Village. Again, Mark Kelly emceeing that event. Tickets, $45. They include a continental breakfast, and it starts at 8:15. To buy tickets, just reach out to Candy Skies. Her phone number, email right there on your screen. Also, the Hanley Foundation. You can find all the ticket information online, but you do want to register in advance. So thank you so much for all you do for our community. This is going to be really useful. We know it's a problem in our area and something we need to really talk about. Steph, we'll send things over.